Hello, my dear friends. I'm Arif Bangi, and I welcome all of you for to learn live online C programming course by Arif Bangi. I sincerely thanks all of you for registering yourself on this learning. मैं आप सभी का तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूँ, धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि आप लोगों ने रजिस्ट्रेशन किया और हम सब मिलके सीखेंगे. So let me introduce myself. I am Arif Bangi. I am from Pune, Maharashtra. I am Microsoft certified cloud professional, cloud architect, Scrum certified professional, security auditor. In my experience, I am having around 20 years of IT experience in the development field. I have done MCM, PGDCA, DOAC A level, which is equivalent to MCA course. Then I've done CDAC, Diploma in Advanced Computing, and Mechanical Engineering. So that's it on my introduction point of view. So let's start how we are going to start online C learning course. So first of all, I'm happy to announce you all that we will be starting this course from 1st August 2020. Timing will be 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. 5 days a week, 4 weeks. So this is what an entire program. So how you can join on this program? So being an online, you have to download Cisco WebEx client on your device. I'll repeat. मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. ऑनलाइन लर्निंग के लिए आप लोगों को सिस्को वेबएक्स क्लाइंट, मीटिंग क्लाइंट, ये डाउनलोड करना होगा आपके डिवाइस पे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट आर द रिक्वायरमेंट्स फॉर attending this course, for practicing the programs, right? So first and foremost requirement is you as a person who want to learn. Second, internet. Third, mobile device, that is smartphone, right? So these three things, are required to a minimum level. Plus, you will require pen and notebook. So these 5 things are very much required. Now, somebody asked कि मुझे डेस्कटॉप लगेगा क्या, लैपटॉप लगेगा क्या, मैं परचेस करूँ क्या? So dear parents, you don't need to purchase anything from this course point of view. If you have, that will be good. If you don't have, don't bother it. अपना सारा काम मोबाइल डिवाइस से, पेन और नोटबुक से हो जाएगा. सिर्फ आप वेरीफाई कीजिए कि आपका इंटरनेट कनेक्शन सही हो, कोई भी डिस्टर्बेंसेस ना हो उसके अंदर, राइट? सो प्लीज कंफर्म ऑन दैट. लैंग्वेज टू बी यूज इन आवर सेशन, हम कौन सी लैंग्वेज में बात करेंगे? सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज कमिंग बिकॉज आई हैव रजिस्ट्रेशन फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर इंडिया. So I just wanted to let you all know that the major language in this program will be English, but I'll be talking in Hindi as well as Marathi. So these 3 language I can talk, and definitely I'll tweak whenever required. So there is no hard and fast rule that only English or only Marathi or only Hindi. No. We can talk in whatever language you prefer out of those 3. I cannot talk Kannada, I cannot talk Telugu, so no question on that. Even I cannot understand it. एक क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है मुझे कि मुझे कोई कंप्यूटर का नॉलेज नहीं है, क्या मैं ये कोर्स कर सकता हूँ? मेरा आंसर है यस, डेफिनेटली आप ये कोर्स कर सकते हो. एंड दैट इज द रीजन आई एम प्रपोजिंग दिस कोर्स एज अ फ्री, so that everybody, it doesn't matter if he or she has a proper knowledge on computer, he doesn't have computer background, he doesn't have device, no problem. I'm there to help you all. So सिर्फ ये चाहिए कि आप में लगन चाहिए पढ़ने की, आप में आप में कोशिश करनी चाहिए to learn at max level, so I'm there with you to make you train and start your journey towards computer programming. um, so uh, I collected few problems which many people have talk with me over phone or chat, and I also know, being working from home, uh, so what are the problems you may face, right, and how to overcome all those problems. So I want everybody to attend this class, compulsorily, from first day till last, and learn as much as you can in depth. But few unavoidable problems may create problem in our learning. For example, network related problems. इंटरनेट नहीं है, इंटरनेट चला गया, एंड 10 मिनट के बाद में फिर से आ गया. So anything can happen from the network point of view. Then your device battery, right? लैपटॉप है तो लैपटॉप एंड मोबाइल का बैटरी डाउन हो गया, ड्रेन हो गया, shut down हो गया, right? You received a call. If you are attending from mobile, you received a call, and during that period of time, our communication will not happen. You cannot listen it because voice call gets priority. So ये प्रॉब्लम होगा. Sometime, due to urgency, you may not actually attend the course on 1 or 2 days, right? So can you again continue, and how you are going to cope up, right? Yes, you can continue, there is no problem. I'll be happy, that you all attend the course, but I'm not going to repeat any lecture any moment, because I also don't have much time, considering my own work schedule. But whenever you miss anything, uh, or you didn't understand few things, because of my speed, or your speed of understanding, my speed of teaching, anything can happen, in this online journey. So whenever you don't understand, whenever you miss anything, so at that moment, what I'm thinking to put all these, I'll record all these sessions right from beginning, and I'll upload all those videos on the YouTube channel. I created one YouTube channel, Let's Listen and Talk. That is the name of channel. So I would request all of you to go there, subscribe it, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. This is really important, because whatever communication that we will be having, right? Like, say you want to know the second day's video, where it is, you may request personally ki Arif sir, send me the second day ka video, but I cannot send it, because through WhatsApp or other media, because it may be minimum 40 minute to 1.5 hour duration of videos. So its size will be ranging, more than 100 MB, definitely 100 or 200 MB. So that won't be possible for you also, and for me also, to send it. So YouTube is the best media for us to utilize it. It's a free. Why not to utilize it? And it's always available to all of you. So don't worry about it. What you need to do, just go there, subscribe that channel, and click on the bell icon, so that you'll get notification when I want to communicate anything that I uploaded. Plus, there is a discussion tab. If you haven't observed it, a discussion tab on the YouTube channel. So please visit that before our lecture and our after lecture, for anything that we need to communicate. Even you can talk with me from there, right? On or from email. So I'll be giving a few all these tips in our description. So follow that and be prepared before 1st of August, 7 p.m. So let's meet. And this is being arranged, because I'm completing my 20 years of journey. this year. And in my beginning period, I faced a lot of problems to start to trigger myself in computer field. So I want to help all those people who are struggling now, and I may be a small way for helping them to come out of that problems which I faced that time. So that is the only purpose. So लास्ट क्वेश्चन, इतना सब मैंने अटेंड किया, मैंने सीखा, मेरे को सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा क्या, राइट? सो एवरीबडी विल बी इंटरेस्टेड टू गेट द सर्टिफिकेट. Answer is yes, but certificate will not be issued for you just for you participated. You have to prove that you actually participated actively. So for that, I'll be taking an exam at the end of our session, right? It may be moderate to tough level. So I want all of you, right, irrespective you are from 10th, 12th, or BCom, MCS, BCS, doesn't matter which, where are you now, or professional for that matter. Concept wise, you should be very well versed. That is my intention, right? After this 30 days investment of time, आपको programming आनी ही चाहिए, that is my goal. And to evaluate that, right, to evaluate myself as well as you, exam or quiz will be conducted at the end of course. You have to pass with minimum 60% of marks, right? And that exam will give you certificate, digital certificate, right? So thanks all. So let's meet on 1st August, 7 p.m. Till that time, be ready with all the things I mentioned, and preparing the goal of success. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.